Today, we'll be diving into a detailed review of the top 5 vlog cameras. If you love capturing high-quality videos or want to achieve better results in your vlog content, this video is for you. We'll cover the pros and cons of each camera to help you easily choose the one that's right for you. Before we dive into the details, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Now, let's get into the details. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you're into high-quality video shooting and slow-motion scenes, this camera is perfect for you. The new 1-inch sensor delivers excellent image quality even in low light. Additionally, the portrait shooting mode makes it much easier to shoot vertical videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Let's talk about the design of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The device is extremely sleek and thoughtfully designed. The 2-inch OLED screen is ideal for live viewing and focusing, but it can be a bit small for changing settings. Its performance in low-light conditions is particularly impressive. The battery life of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is also quite remarkable. With its new battery, you can shoot continuously in 1080p resolution for about 166 minutes. Moreover, it fully charges in just 32 minutes, which is a huge advantage when you're on the go. The camera is equipped with features like automatic face recognition and dynamic framing. This allows you to easily track subjects and faces and make stable shots. As for the downsides, some users might find the screen too small and changing settings a bit challenging. Additionally, the device can sometimes get warm, but this is a common issue with many action cameras. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an excellent camera with high-quality video shooting and various creative features. Its price might be a bit high, but the performance and features it offers make it worth the cost. If you're as passionate about video shooting as I am, I highly recommend the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Number 2. Sony ZV-1. This small but capable device will take your vlogging to the next level. Let's get started. The biggest strength of the Sony ZV-1 lies in its new lens, combined with Sony's real-time tracking and real-time eye autofocus systems. This combination, along with the 1-inch large sensor, allows you to capture much higher quality videos compared to phone cameras. The background blur and sharp focus in your vlogs will give them a professional touch. The presence of a 3.5mm microphone input on the ZV-1 is also a major advantage. This makes it easy to add high-quality audio to your videos. Plus, the hot shoe mount on the camera allows you to easily use accessories like an external microphone or LED light. However, the ZV-1 does have a few drawbacks. The image stabilization performance during walking shots is a bit behind competitors like the DJI Osmo Pocket or GoPro Hero 8 Black. The active stabilization mode crops the image slightly to provide stabilization, which can be an issue for wide-angle shots. The complexity of the menus can be challenging, especially for users transitioning from smartphones. However, this complexity is a result of the rich features the ZV-1 offers. The built-in ND filter, autofocus sensitivity settings, and color profiles provide great advantages for advanced users. Sony's battery life allows for approximately 260 photos or 45 minutes of video recording. Carrying a spare battery is definitely recommended. Additionally, the ability to charge while using the camera is a big plus for long shooting sessions. In conclusion, the Sony ZV-1 is a perfect pocket camera for content creators on YouTube or other social media platforms. Its bright lens, superior autofocus system, and user-friendly design will elevate your vlogs to a professional level. If you're looking for a compact and powerful vlogging camera, the Sony ZV-1 is the right choice for you. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix GH7. This camera offers excellent image quality, fast phase detection autofocus, and best-in-class image stabilization features, making it a fantastic option for content creators. The new sensor enhances image quality, while the new phase detection autofocus system addresses the shortcomings of the previous model. The GH7's body is slightly larger and heavier due to the built-in cooling system. This cooling system allows you to record 4K 60fps videos indefinitely. The 3-inch screen remains flexible, both tiltable and rotatable, away from cables in 2 stages. The control layout is also very user-friendly. There is an additional record button on the front, which is a significant advantage for content creators who shoot their own videos. The autofocus system can recognize and track human faces, general human figures, animals, cars, motorcycles, trains, and airplanes. You can further customize this system through the menu. The GH7's built-in image stabilization system also works excellently. However, the GH7's battery life is somewhat lacking. A fully charged battery can record video for about an hour. But thanks to the USB-C port, it can be easily charged and connected to a continuous power source. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix GH7 offers superior performance in both photography and videography, making it a perfect camera for content creators. Number 4. Fujifilm X-S20. This camera offers a range of automatic shooting modes that make photography and video content creation much easier. There is a special mode for vloggers, and it features enhanced subject tracking with automatic scene detection. One of the biggest advantages of the X-S20 is its larger battery, which allows you to shoot all day long, a truly impressive feature for a compact camera. The X-S20 is particularly suited for beginners. The vlog mode simplifies content creation, while the autophoto mode makes taking pictures easier. The improved automatic scene detection and subject tracking autofocus are very effective. The battery life is truly impressive. The X-S20 can take about 800 shots on a single charge, making it a strong contender, even when compared to more expensive cameras. It's a highly capable camera for both beginner and advanced users, and it deserves a spot on the list of the best mirrorless cameras. It's easy to carry and ideal for daily use. The camera weighs only 491 grams, which is 26 grams heavier than the XS10. This extra weight is due to the larger, higher-capacity battery. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-S20 is a user-friendly and versatile camera that offers superior performance in both photography and videography. If price is not a concern, the innovations and conveniences offered by the X-S20 are truly impressive. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black. This camera stands out with its rugged build, ultra-wide-angle lens, and incredible stabilization features. It also boasts new filmmaking features like external and dual-channel audio tools, 10-bit log recording, and time-coded footage. The GoPro Hero 12 Black offers 5.3K and 4K video recording capabilities. While its low-light performance is still not as good as the DJI Action 4, it captures stunning images in well-lit scenes. One notable innovation in this camera is its perfect compatibility with mini tripods. Additionally, HDR video recording has been added, allowing it to better manage light and shadow areas. Audio options have also been enhanced. With Bluetooth microphone support, you can easily record with wireless headphones or microphones. It can record 2 audio channels simultaneously, perfectly combining directional and ambient sounds. GoPro's hyper-smooth and auto-boost features make this camera unrivaled in terms of stabilization. Compared to the DJI Osmo Action 4, I preferred GoPro's video quality and color tones, though DJI performs better in low-light conditions. The GoPro Hero 12 Black features dual-color screens. The front screen provides a live view, while the rear screen is touch-sensitive and quite bright. Additionally, you can transfer files via a USB-C cable, eliminating the slowness of wireless transfers. The Hero 12 Black comes with an Enduro battery, allowing for over an hour of continuous 4K 60 FPS video shooting. GoPro's Easy Mode simplifies shooting. You just need to select photo, video, or time-lapse. The Pro mode is ideal for those who want more control. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is an excellent choice for those who shoot primarily during the day and seek the best stabilization. It's also ideal for vloggers and those looking to upgrade who already have GoPro accessories. Here are the top vlog cameras. We've detailed the strengths and some drawbacks of each model. We hope this review has helped you find the camera that's best suited for your needs. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which camera is your favorite in the comments. We're curious to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video, and take care.